Me, manners! Don't forget!
Mimi loved to play. Her colorful blocks, soft teddy, and zooming toy cars were everywhere. Zoom, crash, bang. Her room was a happy, messy playground. Soon, Mommy called, "Minnie, playtime is done. Time to clean up." Mimi looked at the big mess. Oh no. Her happy face turned into a little frown. "It's too much, Mommy," she sighed. Mommy smiled softly. "It looks like a big job, doesn't it? But we can do it together." Mimi felt a little sad looking at all the toys. Where do we even start? She wondered. Mommy picked up a block. "Let's put the red blocks in this bin first." Mimi giggled and picked up a blue block. "And the blue one's here." Soon she was putting dolls in their basket and cars in their garage. It was like a treasure hunt. In no time, Mimi's room was neat and tidy again. All her toys were tucked away, waiting for the next playtime. Mimi clapped her hands, her face beaming with pride. "Look, Mommy, I did it!" she exclaimed, feeling so happy.